Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Due to this online learning process, I prepared a video for you and I hope you all understand this video well. This video is about the first chapter of our literature, which is Kali and the Rat Snake. This story is written by Zai Whitaker, who has written dozens of books and most of them for children and adults. She writes about wildlife and conservation areas. In this story, we'll talk about only the boy, that how he handled the situation with a snake and how he overcome on it, how he controlled the snake. So let's start the story. Kali walked along the thorny forest track as slowly as he could. He was on his way to school. The meaning of thorny means stony. Forest track. Track means pathway. It means that Kali was walking on a stony pathway which was coming near to the forest. And he was walking so slowly as he could. And where was he going? He was going to his school. Kali's father was one of the most famous snake catchers among the Irula tribe. He had caught over 100 cobras just this monsoon and bought many good things for the family. Kali's father was the most famous snake catcher among the Irula tribe. Irula tribe means, as we all belong to a community, means a society. Like some are here with Brahmins community, some are having their Punjabi society, some are having their Baniya society. Like we are having different kinds of community with itself. As like the persons who catches snakes, the person who catches snakes belong to the Irula tribe. Tribe means a group of people, and the people who catches snakes called Irula. So his father was the most famous snake catcher among Irula tribe. He caught around 100 cobras in this monsoon season, and he bought so many good things by the rupees of the cobra. The snake cooperative paid 150 for each poisonous snake. They took out the poison from snakes to make anti-women serum. Kali's father catches so many cobras, and he submitted all those cobras to the Snake Cooperative Society. And the Snake Cooperative Society paid 150 rupees each for the poisonous snake. Poisonous मतलब जहरीला. तो हर एक जहरीले snake के बदले में उसे 150 rupees Cooperative Society से मिलते थे. And what the Cooperative Society do with these snakes? They took out the poison from the snakes to make anti-women serum. It means it's kind of a medicine. So for making this medicine, what they do, they took out the poison of the snakes, and they by the poison they made this kind of medicine. When Kali went snake catching with his father, his legs worked like machines. But now he slowed down. It means that whenever Kali went to catch the snake with his father, so his legs always works like machine. But now he is going to his pathway of school. And this time he is walking as slowly as he could. It means now his legs are moving very slowly. I hate school, he told the bushes, and he got slower and slower, and school hates me. What he said, I hate school. मुझे school बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. He dislikes schools. And he was walking in the thorny forest track, so there were so many bushes. Bushes means झाड़ियाँ. तो वहाँ जो bushes थी, जो झाड़ियाँ थी, वो उनसे बातें करता हुआ कह रहा था कि I hate school, मुझे स्कूल से नफरत है. एंड स्कूल भी मुझसे नफरत करता है, स्कूल भी मुझसे हेट करता है. और ये बातें करता करता उसकी वॉक और भी स्लोअर हो गई. The bushes did not seem to understand or feel sorry for him. It's been 2 months since I joined school, but I don't have a single friend. I get the feeling I think they think we Irulas are weird. He was talking to the bushes that he doesn't want to go to school because he hates school and school also hates him in his opinion. And he was telling this, that why he hates school. He was telling his incident that it's about 2 months he joined the school, but still he has not a single friend in the school. That is why he hates school. He was saying that he had a feeling, उसे एक feeling थी कि the people of our school, means the schoolmates, the classmates and schoolmates thought that the Irulas are weird, कि हम जो Irulas हैं हम weird हैं, हम अजीब हैं, इसलिए मेरे साथ कोई friendship नहीं करता है. On the first day of school, each student had to stand up and tell the whole class 3 things: his or her name, the name of village, and what father did. Now he was saying the incident, he was telling us the incident, that why he hates school. So he was saying that on the very first day of school, यानी स्कूल के पहले दिन हर स्टूडेंट को अपनी सीट पर खड़ा होकर के अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देना था by telling the 3 things, 3 चीज़ें बताकर. What are the 3 things? These are the name, हिज और हर नेम यानी अपना नाम बताना है, द विलेज वेयर दे बिलोंग यानी कि आप किस विलेज से बिलोंग करते हैं, एंड वॉट दे फादर डिड कि आपके फादर क्या करते थे. नाउ इट इज़ अ टर्न फॉर द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ द क्लास. माई नेम इज़ रामू, माई विलेज इज़ मेलूर, माई फादर इज़ अ बस कंडक्टर, सेड द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड. नाउ वॉट द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड सेड, दैट हिज नेम इज़ रामू, उसका नेम क्या है, रामू, एंड हिज विलेज नेम इज मेलूर, एंड हिज फादर इज अ बस कंडक्टर. देन केम सिल्वी ओराथुर पोस्टमैन. Then the other student stood up and he spoke that her name is Selvi, her village name is Orathur, and her father is a postman. When it was Kali's turn, he was so proud he felt like a balloon. Now Kali's turn came. And Kali was feeling such a very proud, like Kali was feeling in a very proud manner, and he was pumping like. Then after that, I am Kali, my village is Kenathur, my father is a snake catcher. What he said, my name is Kali, my village name is Kenathur, and my father is a snake catcher. यानी मेरे father क्या करते हैं, snake पकड़ते हैं. Now Kali had given his introduction. Now what happened after giving his introduction, as Kali was thinking that everyone will get shocked because his father is so famous. Now what happened after his introduction, we'll talk about it on the next page. The children giggled and nudged one after another as if he had said something silly. Now giggled and nudged means everyone was shocked and they were pointing out by giving their elbow point. यानी हम जब एक दूसरे को अपनी elbow से इशारे से point करते हुए किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं, only in a manner of way, यानी कि we are not talking and we are just giving our actions, है ना. तो by that only when we communicate about anyone, so it is nudged. सो अब सारे बच्चे जो थे वो उसके बारे में सुन के शॉक थे, एंड दे वर पॉइंटिंग आउट विद ईच अदर, यानी वो लोग एक दूसरे को पॉइंट करके एल्बो से एक दूसरे से पॉइंट करके उसके बारे में बात करने लगे कि जैसे कि काली ने कुछ सिली सा, कुछ अजीब सा कह दिया हो. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिज लाइफ काली डिड नॉट फील प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग एन इरुला. ही विश्ड he were just like the others, an ordinary boy with a bus conductor father. Now it is the first time when Kali was not happy by being an Irula. काली ये लाइफ में पहली बार था जब काली को एक इरुला होने पर अच्छा नहीं लगा, हैप्पी फील नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज एवरीवन हैड गिवन हिम अ वेरी शॉक्ड रिएक्शन, a very weird reaction, so he was not happy with the reaction of the others. So he thought that his father should be a simple person, his father should be a ordinary, means a simple person, like a bus conductor. Anyway, that was 2 months ago. Kali was getting used to it, but it was hard, and his school work got slower and slower. But इस बात को अभी 2 months हो चुके थे. Now Kali got used to it, but it was hard when it was done in the starting. Now by thinking about all these things, now his work got more slower. Kali reached the school gate as the bell was ringing. As usual, he sat in the back row alone, wishing he had friends. Now Kali reached the school, and once he reached, at the time the school bell was ringing. As usual, on daily basis, Kali went to his classroom. He reached there and he sat at the last bench of the class alone. It means with not a single person. And he was thinking, he wished that he had a friend. He was thinking that he should also have a friend. Wishing he could fail and be thrown out of school, but failing wasn't easy. He had tried, but however badly he wrote his lessons, the teacher was always happy with him. Now what happened, beta? As he doesn't want to go to school because he had no friends. So what he was thinking that he could be fail, कि वो fail हो जाए या फिर उसे स्कूल से बाहर निकाल दिया जाए. थ्रोन यानी फेंकना, तो उसे स्कूल से बाहर निकाल दिया जाए, बाहर फेंक दिया जाए. लेकिन फेल होना बहुत ईजी नहीं होता था. उसने बहुत ट्राई किया. ही हैड ट्राइड, बट हाउएवर बैडली ही रॉट, लेकिन जितना भी बुरा वो लिखता हिज लेसन्स, यानी जितना भी बुरा वो अपने लेसन्स को लिखता, द टीचर वॉज ऑलवेज हैप्पी विद हिम. लेकिन टीचर हमेशा उसके हैप्पी रहते. इट मीन्स कि वो चाहे कितना ही गंदा वर्क करता, बट टीचर वॉज ऑलवेज हैप्पी विद हिम. दिस मॉर्निंग दे हैड मैथ्स एंड राइटिंग, एंड देन इट वॉज ब्रेक टाइम. अब आज की मॉर्निंग जब वो स्कूल पहुंचा तो अभी मॉर्निंग में उनका मैथ्स एंड राइटिंग का पीरियड था, एंड आफ्टर दैट द लंच ब्रेक वाज देयर. द चिल्ड्रन रश्ड आउट टू हैव देयर स्नैक्स. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड बेटा? एट द टाइम lunch bell got rang and all the students go out from the classroom to have their lunch. Some had idli, others had mixture, a slice of bread or 2 or 3 biscuits. Everyone got different kinds of varieties with themselves. Kali opened his tiffin box. Oh no, fried termites, his favorite actually, but what if someone saw? Now Kali also opened his lunch box, and once he opened, he saw that his mother sent fried termites. Termites means beta दीमक. टर्माइट्स का मीनिंग होता है दीमक, इट मीन्स इंसेक्ट्स. तो उसकी मदर ने उसे फ्राइड दीमक यानी फ्राइड इंसेक्ट्स दिए थे, एंड एक्चुअली इट वॉज हिज फेवरेट डिश. But he was thinking that if someone will see his lunch box, if someone will saw his lunch box, then what will they think about him? He would have to hide. He sat on the wall far away from all the others and finished his tiffin. What happened, beta? He was thinking that he should hide now. Now he sat on the wall. वो एक wall पर जाकर बैठ गया सबसे बहुत दूर, and वहाँ पर उसने अपना टिफिन फिनिश कर लिया. Come to the next page. Termites didn't taste as good here as at home. उसने बोला कि टर्माइट्स घर पर ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं, यहाँ इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे. Suppose someone comes near me. Suppose someone asks what I have brought. Kali worried. He was thinking, if someone asks me that what I have brought, then what should I answer? What I need to give him the answer. He was worried. वो टेंशन में था, वो परेशान था. The bell rang. अब now lunch break over हो गया है. Break was over. It was the same teacher but another subject, English. Now the teacher was same who came in maths and writing period, but now this time the subject is different, which is English. They had to write the English alphabet on their slates. You all are aware with the alphabets. It is A to Z. So all the students needs to write the English alphabets on their slates. Teacher walked around the room with a stick, hitting the hands that made bad mistakes. Now teacher was walking around the room with a stick. टीचर जो थी वो रूम में इधर उधर एक स्टिक के साथ घूम रहे थे, एंड दोज हु वर डूइंग द बैड हैंड राइटिंग ही वाज हिटिंग देयर हैंड्स. लकी थॉट काली. अब काली ने सोचा इट इज़ अ लकी टाइम, इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड टाइम, आई शुड राइट इन अ बैड हैंड राइटिंग. नाउ टीचर विल हिट मी एंड ही विल थ्रो मी आउट फ्रॉम द स्कूल. So he was thinking that it's a lucky time and he is lucky now. Lucky they could make the teacher angry. उसने बोला कि मैं इतना लकी हूँ कि मैं टीचर को गुस्सा अब दिला सकता हूँ. He too would try and make a mess of his slate. उसने खुद ने भी बहुत कोशिश करी, एंड उसने बहुत गंदा मेस यानी बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाना, विच वॉज इन अ वेरी अनसिस्टमैटिक मैनर. सो उसने बहुत ही गंदा काम किया अपनी स्लेट पर. टीचर स्टूड इन फ्रंट ऑफ काली. टीचर काली के सामने आ गए, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ अ स्विश ऑफ द स्टिक ही गॉट अ पैट ऑन द बैक. लेकिन एक स्विश यानी कि उसे स्टिक से मारने की जगह उसने उनकी पीठ को थपथपाया। टीचर हेल्ड अप काली स्लेट फॉर द क्लास टू सी। नाउ टीचर ने क्या किया, उसने काली की स्लेट को लिया एंड स्लेट को सब बच्चों को दिखाया, प्रेजेंट किया। हियर दिस इज द सॉर्ट ऑफ वर्क आई वांट टू सी फ्रॉम एवरीवन, ही said कि I want this kind of work, like the work like Kali. I want this kind of work from you all. But actually Kali messed up in his slate, but still the teacher was liking his work, and he was saying that he wants this kind of work. Now the others would hate him more than ever. Kali could hear the whispering in the classroom. He would never have friends in the school. अब बच्चे उसके और भी ज़्यादा हेट करने लग गए, बिकॉज जो बच्चे अच्छा काम कर रहे थे टीचर ने उन्हें प्रेस करने की जगह काली को प्रेस किया। काली अब विस्परिंग यानी धीरे धीरे बातें करना, तो काली अब क्लासरूम में उसके बारे में धीरे धीरे बातें करने की आवाज़ें सुन सकता था, एंड वो सोच रहा था कि अब उसके क्लास में कभी कोई फ्रेंड ही नहीं बनेगा। जस्ट देन समथिंग हैपेंड इन द रूम। तभी रूम में कुछ हुआ। एट फर्स्ट काली डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड, आर्म्स एंड लेग्स फ्लू। स्टार्टिंग में तो काली को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कि हो क्या रहा है। बॉडीज ran, tumbled over each other, fell, ran some more. There were shouts from all directions. अब कोई इधर से उधर भाग रहा है, किसी की बॉडी वॉल से टकरा रहा है, कोई नीचे गिर रहा है। Everyone was doing something like a very big mess got created in the class. And everyone was shouting. हर डायरेक्शन से बहुत ज़्यादा चिल्लाने की आवाज़ें आ रही थी। Help, help, teacher, help. But teacher was under his table. सब चिल्ला रहे थे ज़ोर ज़ोर से, हेल्प हेल्प कर रहे थे कि टीचर हमें हमारी हेल्प करो, बट एक्चुअली विदाउट हेल्पिंग द टीचर वॉज अंडर हिज टेबल। Eyes and hands pointed to the ceiling. Now Kali understood. अब सीलिंग मीन्स वॉल की सीलिंग, यानी वॉल की छत पर सबके आइज और हैंड सबने पॉइंट कर रखे थे, और काली अब जब जैसे ही सबने पॉइंट किया वॉल की सीलिंग पर, तो काली ने भी वहाँ पर देखा। Once Kali saw there, so he understood now everything, that why this kind of shouts is there. There on the roof was a large rat snake. It must have smelt the rats on the roof tiles and come after them. By mistake, it had taken a wrong turn, come to class instead. What happened, beta? On the roof of the wall, यानी कि रूफ यानी छत, तो वॉल की छत पर एक बहुत बड़ा लार्ज रैट स्नेक था। Now what is the meaning of rat snake, बेटा? A snake who eats rats. एक ऐसा स्नेक जो क्या खाता है, रैट्स खाता है, उसे हम रैट स्नेक कहते हैं। A snake who eats rats means एक ऐसा स्नेक जो रैट्स खाता है, that is a rat snake. तो वहाँ पर वॉल की रूफ पर एक बहुत बड़ा, बहुत लार्ज, इन अ लार्ज मैनर, अ रैट स्नेक वॉज देयर। उसने क्या किया होगा, उसने रैट्स की स्मेल करते हुए वो यहाँ पर आ गया होगा, लेकिन गलती से वो अपनी डायरेक्शन भूल गया और उसने रॉन्ग टर्न क्लास में ले लिया और वो क्लास के अंदर एंटर हो गया। बाय दिस वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस पेज। आई होप you all have understood today's lecture. What you need to do, you need to listen it very carefully and do a revision at your home with this reading. And I hope you all will enjoy this video.